Today I will tell you about the how to perform the ECG on this Nikon Condon machine, which is available in our ward. Before telling you the use of the ECG machine, first of all I would like to describe that you have to take certain precautions while using the ECG machine. And number one precaution is that the ECG machine should be plugged in all the time on charging, and while doing the ECG you can remove the charging lead, and the ECG can be performed on battery. And the second precaution is that you should clean the ECG cups and the leads, and it should be free from the gel once the ECG is performed, because if you will it will not be cleaned properly, then there will be disturbance in the conduction and the ECG recording will not be proper. So always plug in the ECG machine, do the ECG on the battery, and clean the ECG leads and the probes properly. The machine which is used in our ward Medical 3 is the Nikon Condon machine, and before doing the ECG you should apply the 12 leads on the patient, the limb leads and the chest leads. And there are certain ways to use the ECG machine. The buttons are labeled on the ECG machine, and I will show you a video which is uh, which will demonstrate how to use the ECG machine.
सबसे पहले मैं आपको पेपर के अंदर जो गाइड कर रहा हूँ, इस मशीन का जो स्टैंडर्ड पेपर है वो 63 mm है। आप जो पेपर यूज कर रही हैं ये 50 mm है। आप
So the first thing is that you should use the proper size paper. The size of the paper for this ECG machine is 63 mm and not the 50 mm. However, in case of emergency, an expert can do the ECG on the 50 mm machine as well. So the house officer should always perform the ECG on 63 mm, and the medical officers can perform, who are expert in ECG, can perform the ECG on 50 mm machine. Then the second step is the proper placement of the ECG paper. So for proper placement of the paper you have to push the side buttons on two sides of the paper socket, and the paper cover will be opened, and you have to place the ECG paper with the white side facing upright. Because if the paper is not properly placed, then it will give you the error, and there will be the prompt from the machine, check paper and the recorder. Then you have to press the switch on button. Once you have switched on the ECG machine, the 12 leads will be visible on the machine and the ECG recording will be visible. When you will remove the lead, it will start showing it as an error, as error 5. So the ECG lead should be properly placed and the paper size should be proper for optimum ECG recording.
तीसरी बात यह है कि इसमें अगर किसी किस्म का नॉइज आ रहा है तो आपने फिल्टर की को ऑन कर देना है, वो नॉइज को ऑटोमेटिकली
Then after pressing the power on button, you will press the filter key.
करेंगे, जितनी भी वाइब्रेशन होगी वो सारी रिमूव कर देगा। पीसीबी के अंदर वाइब्रेशन और मशीन के अंदर वाइब्रेशन, ईसीजी के अंदर। अब देखिए किस तरीके की वाइब्रेशन होती है। एक मसल आर्ट है, पेशेंट को ईसीजी आपने केबल्स लगाई हुई हैं, पेशेंट काम कर रहा है, उसकी वजह से पेशेंट हिलजुल रहा है। इस तरीके से कभी वो केबल अगर कहीं लूज है, कहीं लूज कनेक्शन है, उसकी वजह से अब एसी लाइन लगी हुई है, एसी लाइन की फ्रीक्वेंसी की वाइब्रेशन हो सकती है। इसलिए मैंने कल भी कहा था कि अगर आप ईसीजी करनी है ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कोशिश करें कि बैटरी पे ऑपरेट करें। बैटरी का कोई इशू नहीं आएगा, बैटरी के अंदर
Then you have to press the start button.
दे देगा। ये जस्ट 3 स्टेप है ईसीजी करने के लिए।
So by simply following the 3 steps, you can perform the ECG. And if after performing the ECG, you have to repeat the cleaning of the leads and the cups of the chest leads.